Students, phylum Ctenophora. The animals present in the phylum Ctenophora are also called sea walnuts because of shape is walnut, or comb jellies, also called comb jellies, also called sea gooseberries. Student, like a shape of gooseberries. These are the animals also called sea gooseberries or comb jellies or sea walnuts. Okay, and animals animals belongs from the phylum Ctenophora lives in marine water. Only lives in marine water, not lives in fresh water. Student, these are the animals are radially symmetrical like a cnidarians. Next, diploblastic animals. Body is formed with two layers. Diploblastic animals, tissue level organization. Okay, in these animals, cells are modified into develops into tissues, tissue level organization. Next, students, comb plates. Having comb plates is the main feature of these animals. What about the comb plates? Body shows eight external rows of ciliated structures. Okay, 8 external rows of ciliated structures in the body. These are having appear like a teeth of comb. So these are called comb plates. Comb plates helps in locomotion. These are comb plates helps in locomotion. Next, cnidocytes are absent. Cnidocytes present in cnidaria. These are the cnidocytes are absent in these animals. Next, student, colloblast is another type of the cells. Colloblast, also called lasso cells or glue cells. These are present at the tentacles of the body. Colloblast or lasso cells, glue cells present at the region of the tentacles helps in capturing of the prey, food capture. Okay, student. Next, already you know about the tentacles. Tentacles are the elongated structures present at the anterior part of the body, oral part of the body. Next, student, digestion in these animals. Digestion is extracellular or intracellular. Both type of the digestion takes place in these animals. Extracellular, intracellular digestion. Student, bioluminescence. What about the bioluminescence? Bioluminescence is the property of emitting light from the organism, emitting light by the living organism. This type of the bioluminescence is also shows by animals belongs from the phylum Ctenophora. Next, student, these are sexually separate. Males, females are available. Sexes are separate. Males, females are present. Monoecious, also called monoecious. Sexes separate, that means monoecious. Only animals goes to sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction takes place only by these animals. Next, fertilization between both gametes, male and the female gametes. Fertilization occurs in external, that means outside the body or in the water. Fertilization, fusion of both the gametes occurs in water, outer part of the body, living organism. Fertilization is external. Next, development is indirect. That means larva is present. Development history includes with larva stages. Zygote develops into the larva. Development is indirect. Larva stage is cydipid larva. Okay. Next, examples, Pleurobrachia harmifora. These are ctenophores. Next, students, classification. What about the classification of the phylum Ctenophora? It is divides into two classes. Phylum Ctenophora divides into two classes. One is tentaculata, another one is nuda. Class 1 tentaculata, class 2 nuda. What about tentaculata? Adult shows 2 arboreal tentacles. Arboreal means this is the part away from the mouth or opposite to the mouth in the body of animal. Arboreal, it is the part of the body, side of the body from the opposite side from the mouth. It is the arboreal side of the body away from the mouth. Okay, adult shows 2 arboreal tentacles. Student, example Pleurobrachia, Tenoplana. These two are examples for class tentaculata. Next, class 2 nuda. In these animals, tentacles are absent also in larval stages. Student, larva stages also in the animals, larva stages also does not possess the tentacles. Tentacles are absent in these animals mainly. Examples Bero, class 2 nuda, example Bero. This is about the classification. Okay student, this is about the class Ctenophora. Sea walnuts, comb jellies, also called sea gooseberries, lives in marine water. Radially symmetry shows by these animals. Diploblastic animals, tissue level organization. Cnidarians also tissue level organization. Cnidarians also diploblastic animals. Next, comb plates, coloblast cells. These two types of the comb plates are the structures, student. These are ciliated structures, external rows of ciliated structures. At the base part, these are combined each other. Comb plates helps in locomotion. Cnidocytes are absent. Separate type of the cells are present. These are lasso cells or glue cells, also called coloblast cells. Helps in capturing of the capturing of prey. Digestion extracellular, intracellular. Bioluminescence is also shows by the animals. Sexually separate and student, and fertilization is external, and at the same time development indirect, CDP larva is present.